No.
Oh, I see it here.
Yeah, no water here.
I see it here, love. Come out. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's the only fitting there. Finding a leaks. Okay. Oh.
Don't be too long.
Okay. Yeah. They
Okay.
cannot see yet. It's inside.
But I'm just gonna put a bit of. Oh shit.
Yep. 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 Oh. I'll drain it again.
Okay.
You filming this?
Yeah.
Oops.
What?
That's too hard there. Yeah.
That's too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might break the thing.
All right. So what you do? You should. I'd try and take it off if I were you. You know which way to go. Hold the barrel. Oh, be careful of that collar. Okay. Hold the barrel and turn this way. That's the girl. Yeah. But
No,
you got to turn.
I need a. Let me.
Okay.
Let it fly.
Where's how do you take a photo? Okay. Okay. Now, you can probably pull that whole pipe along, if you know what I mean. The pipe, love, the one that's hanging down, the copper.
Yes.
Don't just clear the bend there of mud, and then just prise the pipe aside that way. You know what I mean? Just pull the pipe aside, and it'll come out. You see? Yeah, that won't screw anymore.
No, I want to put it back where it belongs. Okay.
There, okay. Now take that one off. Plus the collar and the flange, yeah. Okay. Now How is that? Is that pipe damaged? Can you see why it's leaking? No, not that pipe. The one, that one there. Is that somehow damaged on the end?
Pressure water. This one is this part.
Cut.
It look like there's
Yeah.
hole.
All right. Clean the other one as well, so you can have a look at both. Huh? Okay. I'm wondering. Okay. There's the little camera back on there. Okay. Did you push them together? You're pushing it together?
It sits together.
Yeah, but you are holding the pressure, pushing them together. Don't let it.
Okay.
Yeah, but so what you got to do now is put this one on the other side and sort of go against each other. It's what do you reckon? Let me know when you're ready.
It's ready.
Okay. Water coming on. Anything coming out?
Now,
It's going very slowly, the meter.
maybe it's filling the
Yeah.
septic tank.
All right, grab all.
See if it's
Yeah.
running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Collect all the gear. And
I'll turn this off now.
oh yeah, you can turn that off.